don't know about you guys, but I like watching day in the life videos. It doesn't bother me at all. Got on my little tractor the other day, and a bunch of mud daubers got down in the key switch. Those bastards. So I have learned how to drive this thing, and I've been trying to think of a project. This is not mine. It just lives here all the time, like that thing. Fine with me. I don't mind looking out at him. This is where groundhog used to be. No more groundhog. My dog bark got him. And he went running off that way after that Montana territory. So what I got here is, I got a little bit of a project. Let's see if I can actually see. I'm going to get this motor grader, and I'm going to knock down some of that vegetation there because they rounded up the... Now, I don't know how to tell you this, folks, but farmers use Roundup on food that they give to you. It's not a good thing, but they do. I don't like soybeans, and I don't eat much, if any, tofu. If you're going to eat something like that, get a product called tempeh, and you'll find it in your vegetable section, and it's okay. It's better for you than the phytoestrogen-loaded soybean stuff. But anyway, soybean is more or less a crop to get nitrogen in the soil, a legume, and that's mostly what they use it for. I probably shouldn't be letting all these farming secrets out, but anyway, that's what I hear. So I'm going to crank up the thing, and I guess let's just see if I can do it on camera. It's an interesting device. Let's go over here and get on. If I can just get it to crank. I tell you, once you get it to crank, you want to stay on the sucker. So there's where that is. And I'm trying to... She does not seem to have a parasitic draw anymore. And it's just as uncomfortable as just all get out. Sean's a fair bit smaller than me. How do you adjust? Oh, there you go. I don't know if I get this. Oh, well, the peg thing's not even in the peg. So I don't think that's a problem. Oh, and you can adjust that too. I don't want to mess with it too much because I'm not the one that uses it for work. Whew. It don't matter. I'm not going to be on it long. I'm just playing around anyway. Oh, I need to go get some noise abatement. I'll be right back. I don't think I ran the thing back, did I? I had the zoom all set in. Silly me. Okay, so you gotta turn the key on and hold down your glow plugs and be ready to turn her off and all that. Let me make sure the throttle's back. And you should be able to see that light up. These just do nothing but lights. I can see that even through my sunglasses. She might start. Yes, sir. All of this stuff is for when they put the lasers and things on here. The lasers actually tell the graders what to do. So we'll throttle her up a little bit. And the foot pedals are what makes it go up and back, like Mama does Mambo. That one does. See that piston moving there. And that does the front third thing. Okay, and this one I think does this one. No, that twisted around. That's the whole thing pivots. See, the whole machine's got a pivot right in the middle. And that runs in that. Okay, there we go. Let's pick these up a little bit more. And we got that up. And we've got the body straight. And you hit this forward, I think. Oh! Okay. really neat. Now, if you hit anything with this thing, it's not going to be good. All right, so let's give her a little gentle back. Come on, baby. Now, there's something wrong with the steering in this thing. Somebody's messed it up with something right there. The rods aren't right, and I need to cut them off and sand. If I get free here. Sometimes you'll see the blue cloth out in the yard. That's because they're loaded with oil. Look. Now let them dry out for me. Let's go knock these weeds down so I can see out a little bit. I took it to get my mail the other day. That was kind of fun. Okay, so now you do go forward. I'm going to be so proud of them. Now this one does that one does the front, and that's what I want to know is the third one does that one. And she'll keep going on you. So go slow if you don't touch this part. And make it go faster. Push down that, you kind of get a little bit more juicy twist going on. Oh! I think the brakes are on. I want to just knock those weeds down. I'm not in a hurry, so. Okay, so the third one, we're going to lower this down. We're just going to scoop these weeds right out of my head. Yeah, I saw something. Stop it! Stop! Whoa! You gotta be mindful. She don't want to stop. Oh! Third one is this one. We got a little bit too much juice going through it here. Let's see what happens if I just take it forward a little bit. Come on, forward a little bit. There you go. Knock this down. Get too much knocking down there. Oops. It's kind of an automatic. See if I can scoop in here. Some of the chicken. Got tractors and some of you guys got motor graders. Some of us guys got both. I believe I'm doing this with one hand. I probably ought not be doing that. Another way to do this, I didn't want to use my tractor, my 2305, because it just seems like a lot of stuff. I may come down through here now and just knock this on down some. I don't like weeds, they're ugly. Those can be a weed. Alright, so let's stop it. Put it down. Everybody slow down. Come on. Let's get that stuff off. Yeah, I'd say I've kind of learned enough about it to. There's something I'd like to get to. Let's get in. We're doing three things. dropping the bucket and I'm moving forward. Alright, there's the I'm going to let Sean dress up against this Windhaven pond. Okay, let's go see how we did. Oh, gotta go. I don't know if gotta go. Yeah, they are. Are they coming? They are. They're going to lose. Yeah, this thing turns poorly. They're all gone now. I'm thinking 2305 now. It's still in the second heat. I'm going to have to do that. Whoa. Oh, so make it go. Yeah. Let's get the 2305 out. Looks better. I can see it up there now. Fully just dress that up. Am I going to climb into that thing? I don't think so. I'll knock my house down. Let's take this nice and slow, see? Let that run a little bit. Let's make sure I know how to stop it. Yeah. You gotta hit that pedal hard. See, it goes into some kind of automatic mode. We're plowing my tractors into the back. The reason I like it out here is because all that oil is so good. She does leak a little bit. I like having the area clean behind me too. So, okay. And there you have it. So let's get the 2305 out and turn off your ignition and turn off your battery so she can't pull a Christine on you. Okay, let's get, I'm not going to show that. Let's just see what it looks like from before. It's just a lot prettier. That was the worst part of the weeds here. Yeah, I'm going to go out there and fix that up a little bit. Knock me down a little path. So we can dress that up. Okay, well let's I might just make that just a little separate video there of, we'll take a look at it in a minute, and this will just be separate. I'm not going to color this in with any other activities of the day. Jaguar's coming up. Ooh, dark in here. Well, if I didn't learn anything else today, I learned how comfortable the old 2305 is. That's a Cadillac compared to riding that thing. I didn't realize how bad that was hurting me. But let's take a look out here. I'm slowly nibbling away at the back 5. And there you go. See, all those weeds are down. Those big tall brown weeds. I don't care so much about those in the middle there. And I ran the 2305 all over, cut everything. And it's supposed to rain tonight. Kind of looks like it already. Yellow car. And so that's much better. Let's go in the house and look at it, and then I'll probably have to rinse off. It's like itchy. It's been real itchy. There's a bridge too far. Well, it ain't that far. It's far enough. I realize I need to get the rake and shovel and spread that stuff out, but it's just direct sun all day. I'm just not able to do it. Let's turn our little fountain on. I got something from Pat Riot Mobile here. I just get my mail and throw it over here. It don't matter. I'll get it later. Some kind of card. I don't know. All right. Well, let's. I gotta make me an on-off switch. Whoa. What was that? I gotta make me an on-off switch for this inside the house. You know, I might just do that tonight. Well, it's there's on. I'm not taking that out. This I know. So I'll just measure in and see if I can do that. That would be kind of groovy. I'm always thinking of some way to do something. I don't think this is locked. Take your flipping muddy boots off. It is locked. Oh, dadgummit. Well, we'll look at it from here. So, I cut all the way down the line up to that one green weed you see there. And that's just, the thing I hate is a messy crop. And so you can see my mailbox way down there now. And it doesn't look untidy. So it looks better from out here. So hopefully the rain will come tonight. Because we need it. And I can burn some stuff. I got a burn pile going down there. Alright, well that's it. That was fun. And those can stay right there. Alright, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe and like. And just a little bit of an aside from automotive work. So this is where I trap mosquitoes. If you run this about every 8, 10, 12 hours, the mosquitoes will put their eggs in there and then you can grind them up. Alright, talk to you later. I'd rather grind them up than me giving me encephalitis or something. So, off you go as far as I'm concerned. Okay, ooh, something big flying around my head. Why did you pour ink on my head? Alright, let's try this again. Take off your muddy boots.